I'm Zach Shimke. As I said before, I am a systems architecture engineer. I work in the office of the CTO for Penguin Solutions, and I'm going to talk about flash speed performance in the optimized AI architecture. Okay, so get the legalese out of the way. Future-looking statement. I work in the CTO's office. I know lots of things. I try not to say things that I shouldn't be saying, but please do not purchase stock based off any advice I give you here. Okay, so AI is really, excuse me, AI is complex, right? If anyone has ever tried to figure out how to actually set it up, let alone try to use it with prompts, you realize that it's a lot harder than you'd think. And you should know that Penguin has had over 25 years of experience in HPC and AI. And specifically starting in 2017, we worked with Meta to start developing AI-specific supercomputers. So with our Meta project, we started this little thing that we call OriginAI, which is how we, and I'll explain a bit more later, are able to give you a very scalable, something that works day one for getting your AI deployments working. And with working with Meta, we're able to get, we've had 3 billion hours of GPU time with over almost 90,000 GPUs deployed. Okay, so AI factory architecture. So this is the thing. We have a reference platform that is basically validated hardware. We have a list of hardware and server platforms and rack scale stuff and network that we know work together really well. It's easy for us to support and deploy it rapidly, which is really important. We're able to provide, we are able to build it in our factory and test it so that when we show up on site, it just works, plugs in. So we have the validated hardware, intelligent cluster management, and managed services with on-site deployment. So OriginAI modular design is comprised of pre-engineering compute, storage, and network elements. This enables scalable growth, starting with quarter pod with 64 GPUs to over 90 GPUs with 90 pods with 24,000 GPUs without requiring redesign. We're able to scale it up and down to fit your needs. By our ability of standardizing and pre-validated each model, we're able to streamline procurement and delivery, which ensures that our builds are on time and on budget, which is really important. If I tell you that we can have something for you in 4 months, we will get it in 4 months. It won't be 4 months and then some delays and then we didn't order something or then we missed the cable or the other kind of stuff. We'll be able to get to you ready to go in 4 months. So one of our core features or tools that we use to help ensure that your AI infrastructure operates at peak performance, we have our software platform, our ICE Clusterware software, which we just released, Clusterware 13, which now includes the multi-tenancy feature where we're able to use VXLAN to ensure that each tenant is fully isolated. But the Clusterware software management allows us to do this rapid deployment. So we're able to take all of your raw equipment and we're able to configure it and set it up and monitor it so to make sure that we can tell when everything is perfect. So in order to do that, we have the health management performance assurance. So that allows us to look for anomalies and be able to detect basically anything that's wrong with the cluster before even you would notice that it's wrong. That way we can have you at top performance. So that's with that advanced health monitoring, ICE Clusterware tracks everything from network performance to individual components, temperatures, reliability, and uptime. We also are able to ensure that we have non-disruptive updates and expansions so you can evolve without interruptions. So OriginAI gives us this modular architecture that integrates compute, accelerators, networking, storage, and management software into a seamless solution. Our end-to-end services include expert design and factory build, on-site deployment, and ongoing managed services to ensure optimal performance. With flexible options like InfiniBand and Ethernet networking and scalable storage solutions, OriginAI is built to adapt to your unique AI needs. The architecture can simplify complexity while delivering the reliability and scalability required for advanced AI workloads. So we have a pretty strong partnership with VDURA. VDURA is one of our key joint customers when we talk to our federal energy and DoD markets, and they have been fully integrated with this latest iteration of our OriginAI platform so that we're able to integrate them and we're ready to go on day one. And if you have more questions, please stop by our booth at 1326. It's just down the row here a little bit, and we'll have any of our other AI experts be willing to answer any questions that you have.